How to create inbox rotation strategies in Instantly.ai. Creating inbox rotation strategies in Instantly.ai is one of the best ways to scale your outreach safely while protecting your sender reputation. Instead of blasting hundreds of emails from a single inbox, which can trigger spam filter, you can connect multiple inboxes and let Instantly.ai automatically rotate them for you. To set this up, go into your account settings, connect several email addresses from your domain, and assign them to a campaign. Instantly.ai will then distribute your emails evenly across those inboxes, making your sending pattern look natural while increasing total daily volume. You can even control how many emails each inbox send per day, so newer accounts send fewer until they are warmed up, while older, trusted inbox carry more of the load. With the smart inbox rotation strategy, you'll maximize deliverability, reduce this risk of blacklisting, and safely scale your outreach without burning out a single inbox. So that's it.